In the ancient Egyptian pantheon, Osiris holds a pivotal role as the Lord of the Dead, presiding over the realm of the afterlife. He is responsible for judging the souls of the deceased, determining their worthiness for eternal life. Osiris embodies the principles of justice and morality, ensuring that those who lived righteously would be rewarded in the afterlife. His iconic green skin symbolizes rebirth and vegetation, reflecting his connection to regeneration as well as fertility, emphasizing the transformative nature of life and death. The narrative of Osiris is one of the most significant myths in Egyptian culture and centers on themes of betrayal, death, and resurrection. According to the myth, Osiris was murdered by his envious brother, Set, who coveted his throne. Set dismembered Osiris and scattered his body parts across the land. However, Osiris's devoted wife, Isis, embarked on a perilous journey to locate and reassemble her husband. Using her profound magical abilities, she succeeded in resurrecting Osiris, allowing him to take his rightful place as the ruler of the underworld. This powerful story not only illustrates the themes of love and loyalty, but also became central to Egyptian beliefs surrounding death, the afterlife, and the hope for resurrection. Followers viewed Osiris's resurrection as a promise of their own potential rebirth, reinforcing the notion of life after death. In addition to his role as the god of the underworld, Osiris was also intricately linked to agriculture and the natural cycles of the Nile. He was associated with the annual flooding of the Nile, which deposited nutrient-rich silt onto the fields, enabling the growth of crops. This connection underscores the dual nature of Osiris, as both a life-giver and a facilitator of death, echoing the cyclical patterns observed in nature. The flooding, often considered a form of death for the previous season's crops, heralded new growth and vitality, mirroring Osiris's own journey through death and resurrection. Thus, Osiris came to symbolize the essential cycle of life, death, and rebirth, resonating deeply with the agricultural society of ancient Egypt. In summary, Osiris is a multifaceted deity whose governance over the underworld, pivotal resurrection myth, and association with agriculture highlight the profound influence he had on Egyptian spirituality. His legacy reflects the civilization's understanding of morality, the afterlife, and the cyclical nature of existence, making him a cornerstone of their religious beliefs and practices.